Salvation's not about going to heaven when I die. Salvation's about coming on Christ as your Savior. Salvation's about having a relationship with Him here and now. The icing on the cake is heaven when I leave this earth and being with Him in all eternity. But what good is that doing me today? Eternity, that's all. That comes later on. I can't do anything about eternity except accept Christ as my Savior and be sure that I'm secure in eternity. God didn't save me to throw me in eternity. If He saved me to throw me in eternity, He'd have pulled your heartbeat out and your breath out of your lungs the moment you were saved, and you'd have gone to glory. There's a lot of people here today who say, I know Christ is my Savior. And you ain't dead yet. You ain't dead yet. God's got work for you to do. Got a life for you to live. Got a difference for you to make.